Good morning, dear students. Yesterday, we had started tangents and normals. That is a application of derivative. By using derivative, how can we find out equation of tangent and equation of normals to a given curve at a given point? And we had solved many questions related to this topic. Exercise 6.3 in NCERT based on this topic. And I think 10 questions we have already solved. And you can see that question number 11 and 12 both are of the same type as question number 10. But I am going to start to solve question number 12. See, question number 12 is, you can read this question. A curve is given y is equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. And question asks for the equation of that tangents which have slope 0 on this curve. We know that the line having slope 0 is either x-axis or parallel to x-axis. And in the beginning I had proved this, that any tangents or any line having slope 0, that equation of that lines or tangent will be y is equal to y1. Okay, where y1 is what? Y1 is the ordinate of that point on the curve from where the tangent passes. So, in this question, our goal is find out that point from where the required tangent passes. So, let the required tangent having slope 0 according to the question to the given curve first is passes through a point x1 y. And by anyhow, if we succeed to find out p x1 y1, then equation of the line is y is equal to y1, and y1 हम लोग के पास रहेगा, y is equal to y1 will be the equation of that tangent. Okay, so let this point, this is the point from where the tangent is passes, and we want to find out the slope of the tangent, because slope of the tangent is given here 0. So slope of the tangent on this curve at this point will be dy by dx at this point. So differentiate this first equation, both sides differentiate this. So dy by dx is equal to, it is differentiated by using division rule. So denominator into differentiation of numerator. Differentiation of 1 will be 0 minus numerator differentiation of denominator. Denominator का differentiation, that is 2x minus 2 upon denominator square. And according to the question, this slope is 0. So dy by dx at this point is 0. And this one is, you can see 0 into this one, that will be 0 minus 2x and plus 2. From where if we take common 2, then what we have? Plus 1 minus x upon denominator x square minus 2x plus 3 square. So transfer this here, that is on point p x1 y1. So put here x1 y1, what we have? 2 1 minus x1 upon x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3 square, which transfer to left side. So what we have? That is 0 into this one, that will be 0. So from here we have x1 is equal to 1. Now clearly this point lies on this curve. So satisfy this curve. So what we have? y1 is equal to 1 by x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3. Here x1 is 1, so put x1 is equal to 1. What we have? 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3. So 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2, that is 2. So y1 will be 1 by 2. So what will be the equation of that tangent having slope 0 passes through p x1 y1? That is y is equal to y1, because it is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Any line which is parallel to x-axis, its equation will be of the form y is equal to y1. Okay, So here y1 is 1 by 2, so its equation will be y is equal to 1 by 2. So that is the solution of question number 12. I hope you got it. Okay. Now I am going to solve next question, question number 13. Question number 13 is, find the points on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1 at which the tangent are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Okay, so we want to find out the points on this curve. You can see this is a vertical ellipse. So let the required point be Px1 y1. Clearly find out the slope of the tangent on this curve through this point. That will be dy by dx at P. So first differentiate with respect to x. What we have? We have 2x upon 9 plus 2y upon 16 dy by dx equals to 0. Okay. So clearly from here what we have? See, we have dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 9 upon 2y upon 16. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. From here what we have? Minus 16x upon 9y. Okay. So it is passes through this point dy by dx. It is passes through P x1 y1, that is 16 minus 16 x1 upon 9 y1. Okay, and so this is the slope. This is the slope of, that is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent at P x1 y1. Now first is this tangent is, you can read this question again. Find the points on this curve at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Okay, parallel to x-axis. Tangents are parallel to x-axis. If tangents are parallel to x-axis, we know that its slope will be equal to 0, means m will be equal to 0. Clearly what we have? Minus 16 x1 upon 9 y1 is equal to 0, means from here x1 is equal to 0. Okay. So because this point lies on this curve also, so from now we can say that P x1 y1 lies on first, so इसको satisfy करेगा. That will be x1 square upon 9 plus y1 square upon 16 is equal to 1. That is x1 आप 0 पुट कर लो तो ये टर्म 0 हो जाएगा. y1 square is equal to आ जाएगा 16. So we have y1 is equal to plus minus 4. Means that is required point इस केस के लिए हो जाएगा. Point will be x0, y1 is plus minus 4. This one. You can check your answer. Question number 13, first part. Question number 13, 0 plus minus 4. And case second, tangents are parallel to y-axis. Case second, tangents are parallel to y-axis. We know that when tangents are parallel to y-axis, in that case slope will be equal to infinity. y-axis के parallel होगा means x-axis के साथ 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएगा, then its slope will be tan 90 and tan 90 is infinity. So from here what we have 1 upon m is equal to 0. Reciprocal of infinity is 0. 1 upon m. Here m is minus 16x1 by y1. So 1 upon m will be 9y1 upon 16x1. So that is equals to 0. So y1 is equal to 0 from here. Okay. And suppose this equation is equation number second. Okay. And in this case here we put x1 is equal to 0. Now in second put y1 is equal to 0. What we have? जब यहाँ आप 0 पुट करोगे तो ये टर्म 0 हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ से क्या मिल जाएगा? x1 square is equal to 9, that is x1 is equal to plus minus 3. So in this case when tangents are parallel to y-axis, slope, the required point will be, so the required points will be जहां से पास हो रहा है, जहां से tangents पास हो रहा है और y-axis के parallel है, that will be plus minus 3 comma 0. Okay, so that is the solution of question number 13. Now I am going to solve, there are many parts of question number 14. I am going to solve 1 or 2 from question number 14. So now you can read question number 14, first question. Fourteen is find the equation of tangents and normal to the given curve at the indicated point. 14 first is y is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. We want to find out the equation of tangent and normal to this curve at point 0, 5. तो देखो आपको x1 y1 गिवन है, यहाँ पे x1 y1 गिवन है. इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट क्या होता है? इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट होता है, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट इज y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at p x1 y1 x minus x1. इसमें से x1 y1 गिवन है, दैट इज x1 दैट इज y1. ओके, आपको सिर्फ चाहिए क्या, dy by dx at p x1 y1. ओके, सो डिफरेंशिएट दिस, डिफरेंशिएट above with respect to x. What we have, dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Then we want to find out dy by dx at p x1 y1. So dy by dx at p x1 y1 is equal to, so x1 y1 is here 0, 5, 0, 5. तो x के प्लेस पे आपको 0 पुट करना है, तो ये 0, ये 0, ये 0, क्या आ जाएगा, 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 10, that is minus 10. So equation of tangent will be what, y minus y1, y1 is 5 is equal to this dy by dx at p 0, 5 is minus 10, x minus x1, x1 is 0. Okay, so what we have y and this is minus 10x, right side transfer to left side, plus 10x minus 5 equals to 0. That is the equation of tangent, equation of tangent. Okay, and what is the equation of normal? Equation of normal is, we know that is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at p x1 y1 x minus x1. Okay, so what will become, that will become y minus y1 is 5 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 10 x minus 0. So this is plus 10, so 10 is इधर ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, that will be 10y minus minus 50, 10y minus 50 is equal to x. So what we have, x plus x minus 10y plus 50 equals to 0. Got it? You can check the answer of equation of tangents and normals here. Exercise 6.3, question number 14. First question, 10x plus y is equal to 5, correct? And normal, x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. And others are of the same type. इसमें मुझको कौन सा बता दूं, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का लास्ट 5th वाला बता दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शन से रिलेटेड है. नाउ 14th, इट्स लास्ट वन. 5th one, it's 5th one. Curve is x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, and point is t is equal to pi by 4. तो सबसे पहले t is equal to pi by 4 आप पुट करो, तो t is equal to pi by 4 पुट करेंगे तो x is cos pi by 4, y is sin pi by 4, that is x is 1 by root 2, y is 1 by root 2. मीन्स आपका क्वेश्चन ये है, we have to find out equation of tangents and normals at given curve which is passes through P 1/√2 1/√2। ठीक है, ये वही होगा एट t इज इक्वल टू π/4, क्योंकि वही पुट करने पे आया। ओके, तो हमारे पास अब x1 y1 है, x1 y1। आपको dy by dx एट t इज इक्वल टू π/4 या फिर वही सेम आएगा एट p इज इक्वल टू एट पॉइंट p x1 y1 आपको चाहिए। तो डिफरेंशिएट dy by dx कैसे फाइंड आउट होगा? dy by dt अपॉन dx by dt से। नाउ dy by dx will be dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, so dy by dt means differentiate this one with respect to t. So sin t का differentiation that will be cos t, and differentiation of cos t is minus sin t, that is minus cot t. Okay, minus cot t. So dy by dx at t is equal to π/4, that is same as at point p, that will be minus cot π/4, that is minus 1. So slope हमें मिल गया, that is slope हमें मिल गया। So इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट क्या हो जाएगा? टेंजेंट देखो इस पॉइंट से पास हो रहा है 1/√2 1/√2 से, तो y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू m, that is -1 x माइनस x1 1/√2। तो आप √2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो सब में, तो क्या मिल जाएगा? √2y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू माइनस √2x माइनस माइनस प्लस 1। ओके, तो इसको इस साइड शिफ्ट कर दे, क्या मिलेगा हमें? √2 कॉमन हो जाएगा, दैट इज x प्लस y, और इसको इस साइड शिफ्ट कर दें तो 1 प्लस 1 2। तो फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट वी हैव x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू √2, दैट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट। ओके, और इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल फाइंड आउट करें हम लोग। इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या होगा? इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल दैट विल बी y माइनस y1 1/√2 इज इक्वल टू -1 अपॉन m -1 x माइनस x1 1/√2। अब इसको सॉल्व करो आप, तो चूंकि स्पेस कम है तो यही आपको समझा देता हूं। ये तो हो गया +1 आपका, -1 अपॉन -1 दैट विल बी +1। ओके, ये हो गया +1, और √2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें हम लोग तो आ जाएगा √2y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू √2x माइनस 1। तो -1 दोनों साइड में कैंसिल हो जाएगा, √2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, व्हाट वी हैव x इज इक्वल टू y। सो दैट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल, that is equation of normal. Okay, and that one is equation of tangent. You can check your answer, that is it is correct or not. So 14th last one, 14th fifth part, that is equation of tangent is x plus y minus √2 is equal to 0. It's correct, and normal is x is equal to y. Okay, now question number 15. Question number 15. I am going to solve question number 15 now. All these questions are of different type. अब डिफरेंट टाइप के जितने क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो मैं आपको समझा दूंगा, सेम टाइप का होगा तो वो होमवर्क के लिए आपको छोड़ दूंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 देखो। read question number 15 everyone. Question number 15 is find the equation of tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 which is parallel to this line and which is perpendicular to this line. So we have to find out equation of tangent to this curve. Okay, so let the required tangent to the curve first is passes through px1 y1. तो पहले तो उसका स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना है, तो आपको dy by dx एट दिस पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट will be equal to m, that is dy by dx at p. तो डिफरेंशिएट करो आप इसको, तो डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे क्या मिलेगा 2x minus 2 at p x1 y1, that is dy by dx at p x1 y1, that is m. Now first ये क्या आ जाएगा, एक तरह से ये आ जाएगा 2x1 minus 2. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट द टेंजेंट लाइन इज पैरेलल टू द लाइन गिवन है, पैरेलल टू द लाइन 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. अच्छा आप देखो, जो रिक्वायर्ड टेंजेंट है वो इस लाइन के पैरेलल है. हमें पता है कि टू लाइंस अगर पैरेलल है तो उनके स्लोप्स इक्वल होंगे. क्लियरली देयर स्लोप्स विल बी इक्वल. ओके, तो इसका स्लोप क्या होगा, हमें पता है कि जब इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में कोई लाइन गिवन होती है तो उसका स्लोप क्या होता है, माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y. तो इसका स्लोप हो गया 2x1 minus 2 इज इक्वल टू, इसका स्लोप हो गया माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x दैट इज 2 अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y दैट इज -1. ओके, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x दैट इज -2 अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y, यू कैन सी दैट कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज -1. सो फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट we have x1 is equal to, देखो ये आएगा 2 और ये ट्रांसफर होगा 2, 4 अपॉन 2 दैट इज 2. x1 is equal to 2. ओके, x1 is equal to 2 here. अब ये देखो, ये x1 y1 इस पे लाई कर रहा है. दिस p x1 y1 lies on first. So what we have y1 is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. अब x1 is equal to 2 पुट कर लो, पुट x1 is equal to 2, what we have y1 is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. कितना आ जाएगा, आप देखो y1 is equal to आ जाएगा ये 4 minus 4 कैंसिल, दैट इज 7. तो वो टेंजेंट पास कहां से होगा, वो होगा x1 y1 से, मीन्स 2 7 से. क्लियरली रिक्वायर्ड टेंजेंट is passes through x1 y1 that is 2, 7. और इसका स्लोप क्या होगा, इट्स स्लोप इज, आप देखो यहां स्लोप यही है ना, जो इसका स्लोप होगा, इसका स्लोप क्या है 2 है, and its slope will be 2। अब देखो इसी के स्लोप के इक्वल होगा और इसका स्लोप क्या होगा, माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x दैट इज -2 अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y दैट इज -1, -2 upon -1 that is +2. okay, so its equation will be what? What will be its equation? Its equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. इसको सॉल्व कर लो, क्या आएगा, 2x minus 4 is equal to y minus 7. तो y और -7 को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे एक साइड में, तो यह आ जाएगा 2x minus y and this is -4 and +7 +3 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of tangent. That is the equation of tangent which is parallel to this line at this curve. That is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it's second one, that it is parallel to, I am going to rough here this from here. Okay, tangent line is perpendicular to, I think it is given that perpendicular to, it's second one, आप second one check करो, it is perpendicular to a given line and its line, the line is given 5y, that is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 30. 5y minus 15x is equal to 30. अब आप देखो, अगर टू लाइंस एक दूसरे पे परपेंडिकुलर हो तो उनके स्लोप्स का प्रोडक्ट -1 के इक्वल होता है, ये आपको पता है। तो इस टेंजेंट लाइन का स्लोप हो गया 2x minus 2 और इसका स्लोप, चूंकि ये इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में है, माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y दैट इज +15 अपॉन 5 3 आ जाएगा। ओके, देखो क्लियरली प्रोडक्ट ऑफ